Yellow here. Yellow. Just like, yeah. Yellow here. लेकिन बाद में क्लिक करो बोलने के बाद
हाँ हो गया यस मैम स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट
येलो
हो गया
येलो थोड़ा सा क्रॉस करो इस तरफ क्रॉस
हो गया मैम
येलो क्या
हो गया हेलो हो गया स्ट्रेट
Welcome to the launch of blueberries. So, when it comes to the fruit which is not so common in India, what are your thoughts and what do you have to say about its launch in India?
I'm really excited and very happy that blueberry is here in India because we've been talking and hearing so much about the blueberry muffins and the blueberry croissants. There's so many pastries, blueberry pastries, and so many other lovely delicacies that blueberry has to offer. And somewhere this was available only in particular restaurants or particular hotels. So it was very rare delicacy, I would say, a rare fruit. But now it's available in India. So I'm very excited, very happy. And then we'll have a lot of desserts and a lot of baking baking cakes and a lot of other products that's going to come up with blueberry. So I'm really excited and I love the flavor.
In terms of fruits, which is the fruit that you prefer, or you make it a point for fitness or health that you include one fruit in your diet, and which is that?
That's a banana actually. And yes, for working out and everything, that's one of my favorite fruits. But I somehow like the guavas as well. And of course the watermelon and the papaya, and now of course the blueberry. Also like some other berries, but blueberry is one of my favorites. I also like raspberry. So in compared to the berries, I think blueberry and raspberry are my favorites. Thank you.
खाने की चीज़ों का ग्लोबलाइजेशन हो रहा है
जी.
How do you see this?
ये हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं उगते थे ये, अभी यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट किया जा रहा है. तो हमारे लिए इट इज़ लाइक वी आर एक्सपैंडिंग आवर रीच, वी आर गेटिंग मोर थिंग्स हियर. जैसे पहले ब्रांड्स नहीं हुआ करते थे इंडिया में, तो अब ब्रांड्स आने लग गए हैं, अब ब्लूबेरीज भी आने लगे हैं. तो ऑफ कोर्स द लॉट ऑफ फ्रूट्स विच गेट इम्पोर्टेड. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हम एज इंडिया, आई थिंक आई एम श्योर कहीं ना कहीं हम भी इन सबको उगाना स्टार्ट कर लेंगे. आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स फॉर अस farming is a very important aspect of our country, and we have to definitely respect it and look towards it. And I'm sure that we will have that particular region and area where we can grow blueberries, because it's such a diverse country. We have all kinds of region right now. I think some very good international wines are getting harvested in Maharashtra, I would say, not even anywhere far. But I think Fratelli is one of the very good brands that's come up. They have international standards and they've won international awards for their wines. Similarly, blueberry, I think it won't be very far away where blueberry will start getting harvested in India. Thank you.
Yeah, center look. Yeah, hold the book.
They're gone. Raj, you get in there right here.
Yeah, center look.
On your right side.
अरे बूम हटा. लगा अदिल पीछे तो क्या हुआ आदिल आगे जा थोड़ा. बैग से दबाया हुआ आदिल उधर ले यार.
We believe that blueberries is going to be an important factor in helping lifestyles in India. Currently, it's about 1 million pounds of blueberries coming in from the U.S. and we believe by next year, 2 million look at all the various stores, Fruit Basket, Starbucks, many different products being made from blueberries because everybody knows the function and power of those little diamonds.
आगे लीजिए घूम आगे लीजिए सामने
Alright, so of course I know Tom and I know Dinesh very very well. So what the whole idea for me is that they have such a big
लगा मस्त
साउंड नहीं आ रहा
I thought the promotion is also very
लगा
good. So I just thought maybe fashion and film and Bollywood would be a great way to promote blueberries. Doing something faster, people to understand and that's a whole blend today. So there are loads of actors, models, all set to promote blueberries from USA. And Dinesh is a brand and we are very very excited. All my friends are waiting to give bites and to go buy it.
Well, that is correct what Rajiv was saying, is that this is the first time that we've taken Bollywood and the food world and fused them together to create this magnificent event tonight. And you know what? This is what it's about, living a healthy lifestyle, a fun lifestyle. And that's what we believe fresh blueberries are all about.
थैंक यू
Oh yeah? On your right?
Thank you.
Tell us about the fruit which is your favorite and about blueberries coming to India.
I love kiwi, I love strawberries, I love there are so many papaya and apple and every day, and now recently oranges, Malta, grapes, there are dragon fruit, there are so many fruits. I am completely fruit eater. I love fruits and it's awesome to have one meal in a day of a fruit and it keeps you healthy, fit, glowing, fresh, always right in the shape. So I will recommend everyone to have fruits and I just heard that blueberry is coming to India. So that's the best thing because I am a fitness freak. मैं आप लोग सब लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी strawberry, blueberry, mulberry, all these berries are zero fat, no calorie food. अगर आप इनका consumption करते हैं and if you have milkshakes or post workout meal of berries, then your life is sorted. It has got many vitamins, many plus things, negative energy, negative fat and positive for health. So इससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती है. I am very happy, glad, wish them all the best and all the best for this blueberry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love berries. So it's amazing that blueberries are going to be finally very easily available here. Because as we all know, it's not really easy to put our hands on fine blueberries so easily. It's considered to be an exotic fruit, and now that it's going to be so easily available to everybody via Anusuya group of companies, I'm ecstatic that we're going to enjoy this fruit more often now.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Excuse me. Right side, right side.
But if you're interested in their background, and we're just going to do one welcome Mr. Dinesh Chandra. I hope you are enjoying it, and everybody is enjoying, right? Why the noise is low, right? Okay, from here we on proceed for the award ceremony. Guys, we request some noise, guys.
Come center, look. Everyone look center.
The second award in the retail category goes to
भाई थोड़ा लाइट बढ़ाओ
Mr. Swapnil Nandre from Nature's Basket Limited. We really appreciate his dedication and passion towards the sourcing of the wide range of exotic produce.
Center. Thank you.
The third award in the category of everybody has to make a noise, guys.
in house.
So his dedication and passion towards blueberry and innovating good and new products for the manufacturing unit has recently been noted. Very important person for us, passing the blueberry smiles, real blueberries in the South Mumbai on a very large scale. Thank you so much.
क्या उसमें क्या हुआ?
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Thank you. Thank you.
Smile, please. Mooch को थोड़ा खाओ दो. थोड़ा put it like that, mooch.
I love cheesecake, I love a lot of cocktails mixed in it, so it's like depends on the
मेरे को थोड़ा है तो ठीक है, स्मेल आ रहा है क्या? मेरे को थोड़ा है तो ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
So I would want to know from each of you what do you have to say about blueberries coming to India?
Definitely.
Look camera.
I would. This one?
Yes, please.
Hello everyone. First of all, welcome over here, and I'm glad that blueberry has come to India, and not just as a blueberry, and they have come up with some interesting drinks, and they have just collaborated with, and thanks to Mr. Dinesh who has brought this amazing fruit, and people have been thinking that this is a very exotic or something, but he's making it reach to all the people over here. I'm glad for that.
Yeah. So hi guys. Getting this fruit in India earlier was, I think, it was quite impossible. It is like avocado. So the day avocado came into picture, it really, it made an impact. It is everywhere since then. So I think blueberries will also make a mark, and it's a very good thing. So I really hope.
And the best and interesting part is it's with the drinks. Yeah. What else you want? Huh?
The best part is that we all, I think, at least I love blueberries. So my personal reason to be happy about this is blueberries finally here, and so we can easily have a great access to it. Yeah, it's a great.
So guys, cheers to the berries and have a drink. That's it.
It's being launched in India.
Well, I'm very, very excited and very happy that blueberries has been launched in India, and I'm a fitness freak, so when it comes to blueberries, they're filled with antioxidants, and I feel name suggests it all. So congratulations and all the very best. Thank you.
चंपक जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे ब्लूबेरीज एज ए फ्रूट, आप हेल्थ फिटनेस पे हैं, तो अभी ऑफिशियली इंडिया आ रहा है, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे अभी?
नहीं, अच्छी बात है. देखिए, इंडिया में आ रहा है, वहाँ पे इतना फेमस है, वहाँ पे भी है जो ब्रांड है ये, तो अच्छा ही है इंडिया में. तो और इंडिया में इतना ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन है, तो जो भी इंडिया अब्रॉड का जो ब्रांड है, वो अगर ये ब्रांड यहाँ पर चलता है तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, और ये चलना ही है यहाँ. तो
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ब्लूबेरीज हमने केक्स में खाया है, सिरप्स में लिया, अभी
थिंक बहुत हेल्दी चीज़ है एंड आई थिंक इंडियंस और ज़्यादा हेल्दी हो जाएंगे. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इट इज़ कम टू इंडिया.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
It's about time we wake up to healthy drinks and health and everything, and berries, blueberries, blackberries. We like berries a lot, so any berry is welcome as long as it's not. And yeah, so I wish them all the very best. I think it's a great initiative. Let's taste and see how it feels and how it tastes, and I am sure it is brilliant. This place looks nice, and I wish you guys all the very best.
To say blueberry coming to India. Yeah. शुरू करें? Hi, I'm Kawaljeet here, and I'm very excited to be here at Global, and I believe it's the blueberry launch in India. And I'm going to drink and enjoy myself with the cocktails. They're supposed to make some interesting cocktails. Blueberry in India.
Thank you.
In fact, there's something which is very special about this fruit called blueberry, which a lot of people may not be aware of. It is one of the highest source of antioxidants, and apart from tasting incredible, it directly impacts your metabolic rate and balances the BMR of the body. So I'm glad that Anusuya has taken this incredible initiative of bringing the freshest and the most organically grown blueberries. So looking forward. Thank you.